Footsteps echo on the empty street. A shadow stretches where no hearts meet. The night is cold, but it holds me tight. The stars are deaf, they don't reply, but the moon just hangs a silent eye. I'm talking to the moon like it knows my name, spilling out my heart, no one else to blame. It doesn't turn away, it doesn't leave too soon. I'm talking to the moon.